The Hebrew University of Jerusalem proudly debuted the unique exhibition, the Hebrew University Lab Research Today for a Better Tomorrow, at this year's presidential conference in Israel, with an honored visit from the Israeli President Shimon Peres himself. The exhibition featured some 40 research projects expected to have a major beneficial impact on our future. Visitors to the exhibit could see firsthand how diverse disciplines can come together to impact upon areas such as healthcare, sustainable environment, safety, and tools for tomorrow. For those of you that weren't able to make it in person, we bring you a special sneak peek of some of the highlights and breakthrough innovations.
So let me explain to you a little bit about what we do here. We're working on the concept of sensory substitution. The idea that it's possible to send visual information in the form of touch, in the form of sound. So what you can see here on the screen is the person who's born blind, who's learning to recognize facial expressions through sensory substitution. And this camera is sending the visual information to a computer. And this computer is translating that visual information in different sounds. And so this person who's born blind is learning to recognize these facial expressions through sound. This device codes visual information in terms of vibration. The closer you are to an object, the more it vibrates. It's the virtual cane, and it's a device that's being developed here in the lab.
This research project deals with the metallic nanoparticles. And what's known is that metallic nanoparticles can change their properties compared to the metal that we all know in jewelry. Once the particles become so small, they change their property, such as color that we see, but also they can, for example, melt at much lower temperature. In this project, we utilize this change in properties to get application in the field of plastic electronics and printed electronics. We use it as ink and print it on various substrates to get, for example, a solar cell or a LED device.
Thank you for coming. I'm Yael, I'm a PhD student at the Hebrew University, and we've developed a technology. You know, there are millions of security cameras all around. In this technology, we try to change the way people are looking on video and specifically on long security data. And it's actually taking all the events that happen in some time and pack it together to a very condensed and summarized video. Actually, this is a big success story for the Hebrew University because it was commercialized and now it's a product of a company which is called Briefcam.
This is our booth here from the Hebrew University. We're talking about sustainable tomorrow. And we know one of the problems, like with science and technology, is that we're making such a big impact on the world. We have to find a way to do it in a sustainable way. And here we have an amazing project which is showing how we can take natural waste that's produced from olive oil production or from other cellulose, and we can use just by making mushrooms. We can make an edible food which can grow for cattle. So you get two completely harmless, even beneficial products that come out from it. And you've taken away a toxic waste out of the environment in a very simple way.
Keep up with all of Hebrew University's research for a better tomorrow on our Facebook page.